Hello students, today we shall learn the topic factorization. So factorization is the reverse operation of multiplication. Let's move on the exercise 3.5. The first question, factorize the following expression. 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c. Here 3 monomial term is given. First we take the common term. In variable a square, here also a square is there. So a square is common. First take outside a square. Here 2, 4, 8 is a multiple of 2 only. So 2 common. So throughout the term 2a square is common. So the remaining term here. So already we take 2a square. The remaining term is 1. Now consider the second term. So already we take 2a square. So the remaining term is 2. So 2 to the 4. So a square we take already. The remaining term is b. Here already we take 2a square. So the remaining one 2 4s are 8. 4c. So what is the answer here? 2a square into 1 plus 2b plus 4c. The second one, ab minus ac minus mb plus mc. Here 4 term is given. First consider the 2 term. Here the common term is a. Now what is the remaining term here? b. So minus is there. So already we take a. The remaining term is c. Next consider the third term and fourth term. Here what is the common term here? So minus m is common. The remaining term is here b. So what is the symbol here? Plus. So already we take minus, means minus into minus only plus. So we put minus sign. The remaining one c. Just take the common term. Here also b minus c, b minus c. So b minus c is common. What is the remaining one? The first one a. Here minus m. So the answer is b minus c into a minus m. Second question, factorize the following. The first one, x square plus 4x plus 4. Here the degree is 2. So this is the quadratic equations. The last term in terms of square, that is square number means 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So these numbers are, so 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So these numbers are square numbers. So last numbers in terms of square number means, so either a plus b or a minus b is possible here. So second term is plus means, so this is the format of a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, the formula is a plus b the whole square. Here the right side is given. So we have to find the value of a and b, that is a plus b the whole square. So x square plus, so 2ab is 4x plus, so 4 in terms of square means that is 2 square. Now identify the a value. So here the a value is x, b equal to 2. So the a value is x plus b is 2. So x plus 2 the whole square. So the answer is x plus 2 the whole square. The second one, 3a square minus 24ab plus 48b square. Here it's a multiple of 3 only. So 3 tables reduced by 3. So just take 3 outside. So what is the remaining one? A square minus So already take 3. So 24 table 3 how many times? 8 times only. 8 3s are 24. AB plus, so 3 table 48. How many times here? So 16 times. So 3 16s are 48. B square. So now consider this quadratic equations. So this is the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a square. So this is minus 2ab plus, so 16 in terms of square means that is 4 4s are 16. 4b the whole square. So 3 into, so what is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. So what is a? A as it is same only a. The b value is here 4b. So a minus 4b the whole square. So 3 into a minus 4b the whole square. Third question, x power 5 minus 16x. Here first take the common term. So here also 1x common. So here also second term also 1x is common. First we take the common term outside. What is the remaining one? X power 5 is there. We take 1x. The remaining is 6x power 4 minus 16. So already we take x. Now x into, so x power 4 can be replaced by x square the whole square. That is 2 to the 4. So x power 4 is nothing but x square the whole square. Now here x power 2 the whole square minus, so 16 in terms of square means that is 4 square. 4 4s are 16. So this is the format of here x into, so x square the whole square minus 4 square. So this is the format of a square minus b square. So we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here what is the a term? The a is x square, b equal to 4. Just apply the formula, a equal to x square, b equal to 4. That is x square plus 4, a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus 4. Now x into x square plus 4. So here also again we replace 4 in terms of square means that is x square minus 2 square. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So x into x square plus 4. So again we apply the formula. So this is the format of a square minus b square. So what is a? A equal to x, b equal to 2. So a plus b, that is x plus 2, x minus 2. So the last answer is x into x square plus 4, x plus 2 into x minus 2. Fourth question, m square plus 1 by m square minus 23. So here we know that formula, a square plus 1 by a square is equal to a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2. So now m square plus 1 by m square, here instead of a we substitute m. So what is the formula here? M square plus 1 by m square is equal to m plus 1 by m the whole square minus 2. So already here minus 23 is there. So write as it is minus 23. So the formula is m a plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2. Now m plus 1 by m the whole square minus 2 minus 23, so minus 25. So here, so this is the format of, that is m plus 1 by m the whole square. So minus 25 can be written as 5 square. So this is the format of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here the a value is m plus, so this is a equal to m plus 1 by m. So b equal to 5. So a plus b, that is a value is m plus 1 by m. So this is a plus b. So b value is 5. So a plus b into a minus b, that is m plus 1 by m minus 5. So this is the factor. So fourth question, first one, 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy 30yz plus 20xz. So this is the format of, we know that formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So here the left side value is given, so we have to find the right side, that is a, b, c value. So first you identify the a value, b and c. So 4 square, so only square in variable only, so we have to take constant also. So 4 square can be written as 2x the whole square plus 9y square. So 9 in terms of square means 3 3s are 9, so 3y the whole square plus 25 is there. So 25 means 5 5s are 25, so 5 is at the whole square. So what is a equal to 2x, b value is 3y, c equal to 5z plus 2 into a value, so a equal to 2x, the b value is 3y. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so x into y, x5. So the fourth term plus 2bc, that is 2 into b value is 3y, c value is 5z plus 2ca, the last term 2 into c value is 5z into the a value is 2x. So this is the format of a square plus b square plus c square 2ab 2bc 2ca. So what is the answer? Equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So the right side only answer. What is a? A equal to 2x, b equal to 3y, c equal to 5z. So 2x plus 3y plus 5z the whole square. So the answer is 2x plus 3y plus 5z the whole square. Fourth question, factorize 8x cube plus 125y cube. So this is the format of a cube plus b cube. So the formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So first we write, so a cube here, so only cube in variable only, so we have to take the constant also. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So we write 2 3 times. So 8x cube can be written as 2x the whole cube. That is 2 cube value is 8, x cube. The same only 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 125 can be written as 5 cube. That is 5. What is the variable here? Y. So 5y the whole cube. So now, so this is the format of a cube plus b cube. Here the a value is 2x, b value is 5y. Now substitute a equal to 2x. So 2x, the b value is 5y plus 5y. So next a square, that is 2x the whole square minus ab. So here the a value is 2x, b is 5y plus b square plus 5y the whole square. So what is the answer here? 2x plus 5y into, so 2x the whole square. So 2 square value is, that is 2 2s are 4, x square minus, multiply the constant term, 2 5s are 10, x into y, xy plus 5y square. So 5 5s are 25, 25y square. So this is the formula for a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Suppose a cube minus b cube means, so what is the formula here? Here minus, that is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.